everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Venice AI, a powerful platform that allows you to build custom AI workflows without writing any code. To get started, head over to venice.ai and click sign up. You can quickly sign in using your Google account with just a few clicks. Once you are logged in, you will notice two key features on the platform: private chat and AI generation. Let's begin by testing the image generation feature. Simply type a prompt, for example, a beautiful woman walking on a beach, and Venice AI will create a photorealistic image within the seconds. The quality is impressive and showcases that tool's creative power. Next, let's explore the private chat. You can ask general questions like, what do you think about time travel? And Venice will generate thoughtful AI driven response in a private web enabled space. This makes it a great platform for open and private experimentation with AI. So if you are looking for a flexible and easy to use AI tool, Venice AI is definitely worth checking out. And that's it. You have just created your first AI pipeline with Venice. Thank you for watching the video.